up? Tom Mosher here. Got my volume thrasher. It's pretty sick. Sort of the first legit bike setup I've ever really had. Nothing's really too beat to crap. The wheels are a little beat up, but velocity has been super sick, and they're probably sending me some new ones on, because I bent my axles because I'm trying to use pegs because they're fun. What else? Still got the old prototype bars. So yeah, still the prototype on here. Demolition stem, same as before. Some beat up random saddle. I was riding the Pivotal before. They're pretty sick. Just too much of an ass hatchet if I'm working on it every day as a messenger. What else? I don't know, some random chain that's kind of beefy. It's really slack laid down. Don't look at that. So my old still, those are the same cranks as before, pretty beat up. Some plastic pedals with some prototype straps. Though I should mention that Hold Fast were really, really sick. I just needed something, and a local guy hooked me up with those. They're made by Tony. These are Why Not straps, they're pretty sick. The volume stamped spline drive thing's sick. The underside from Grinds, you know, shine it up. These were white, and now they're rust and scrape. Look at the sheen here. Volume bikes have been so sick. They've been definitely my biggest supporter all along. I really, really appreciated that. Velocity has helped me out huge. Gave me wheels whenever I bust my wheels, which without those two things, I wouldn't be able to keep riding.
Sick!